And finally, their brilliant skipper, Virat Kohli. Virat, a smile on your face now, but that must be very disappointing for you.
Yeah, indeed. I want to congratulate the Pakistan team and their fans first. I think they really had an amazing tournament. The way they turned things around for themselves speaks volumes of the kind of talent they have in their side. And they proved again today they can upset anyone on their day. And disappointing for us as a team to lose the finals. But I have a smile on my face because I'm very proud of the way we played in this tournament. And reaching the finals is obviously, you need to have a good tournament, which the boys have pulled off.
You talk about their turnaround. It's been coming for a while in this tournament, so you wouldn't have taken them lightly this morning, would you?
Not at all. I mean, they had to earn their win. Credit to them. They outplayed us today in all departments. And this is what happens in this kind of, sport. You can't take anyone lightly. We never take anyone lightly. We gave our best shot, but they were just more intense and more passionate on the day. And as I said, credit to them for pulling the win off.
What could you have done better today?
Well, I think, with the ball, we could have had a few more, wicket-taking opportunities throughout the innings. But you can always look at things in hindsight. We've always tried to do our best in certain situations. Sometimes the opposition does play really well. And you have to stand there and say, very well played. Even with the ball, they came out, they were really aggressive initially. They got those early breakthroughs. I think Hardik was brilliant today. His knock was really outstanding. But apart from that, we didn't really show any, resistance throughout. So, as I said, credit to them. They did really well in all three departments.
The no-ball wicket, how big a moment was that?
Yes, small margins can be massive in cricket. We've seen that before as well in big tournaments. But all said and done, we've not won the finals. We've lost a game of cricket, and that's all to it. We need to move forward and learn from our mistakes.
The toss, would you have done anything differently at the toss at all? Haven't seen how that pitch played?
Not at all. I think the pitch was pretty consistent throughout. It didn't do anything strange in the second innings. Neither did it do anything bad in the first innings. We backed our strengths. We're just not good enough on the day. We'll take that on the chin and move on.
Virat, you're a credit to your team and your country. Well played.
Thank you so much.